Those rough bumps on your arms, legs, or cheeks that you call chicken skin may be keratosis pilaris. Keratosis pilaris is caused by a buildup of keratin in pores, explains based dermatologist Dr. Annie Chu. Keratin is a protein naturally found in the body, but it can accumulate in the opening of your pores, and when that happens, your skin gets covered in dry, rough patches and tiny bumps. In this video, we will look at the top 5 best keratosis pilaris treatments that are available on the market today. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration. After applying an acid, you'll want to follow up with an intense hydrator like First Aid Beauty's Ultra Repair Cream, which Green says is ideal for treating dry skin associated with keratosis pilaris. The cream contains colloidal oatmeal and shea butter, which offers soothing hydration to the skin. It absorbs quickly and offers immediate and long-term hydration for dry, sensitive skin, she says. At number 4. Glytone Mild Gel Cleanser. Tan says less is more when treating KP on the face. Patients routinely try to excessively exfoliate their face with harsh scrubs, making the redness and dryness even worse, she explains. Physical scrubs are a major no-no for the more sensitive skin of your face. So look for exfoliating acid-active ingredients. Both Tan and Chu suggest using a gentle, exfoliating facial cleanser like Glytone Mild Gel Cleanser, which is formulated with glycolic acid. At number 3. Replenix Treatment Pads. While you can use physical scrubs on your body, chemical exfoliants are preferred for use on the delicate skin of the face. Says Green, when used properly, they will remove dead skin cells and shrink the appearance of bumps without causing damage. These convenient pads from Replenix contain 20% glycolic acid and vitamins A, C, and E. Green suggests using them 1 to 2 times a week. At number 2. Differin Adapalene Gel. For keratosis pilaris on the face. Several of the dermatologists we spoke to highly recommended adding a retinoid to your routine. Retinoids speed cell turnover and exfoliate the top layer of your skin. If you can't get a prescription retinoid from your derm, Dr. Nolani Gonzalez, Chu, and Howard all suggested an over-the-counter adapalene, like Differin, an extremely effective ingredient that once was only available by prescription. In addition to treating KP, Differin has been highly recommended by dermatologists to tackle a range of skin conditions, including acne, maskne, discoloration, and scarring, so it's a particularly great option if you have more than one skin concern you're trying to treat. Finally, at number 1. First Aid Beauty KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub. This KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub from First Aid Beauty is a more affordable recommendation that has a 10% blend of glycolic and lactic acids as well as pumice buffing beads and soothing vitamin E. It is also certified clean at Sephora and cruelty-free. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.